Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aijin here and welcome to Aijin Collection. And today's video is my first coin unboxing. And first, this is not a sponsor from whatsoever. And if you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And yes, it's December, and according to the gold forecast, um, the gold this month is like will increase after Christmas, so next month. So tataas po ang ginto after this season. Kaya I decided to invest my money into this type of gold. It's a 24-karat gold because 24K is a real investment compared to the lower gold. However, it's still investment kung bibili ka ng 18 karat, 21, 22. But for me, my preference is 24 karat gold. Like my 24 karat gold na bigay sa akin way back 2000, it's worth like 3,700 lang yan for 4.3 grams, and I can pawn it like 18 to 20,000 for that. And now I will show you what it's looked like. And this is a packaging first. It's free from Palawan, and this is the 1 gram 24 karat gold from Palawan. The design is Palawan blue flycatcher. It's an endemic bird from Palawan. And this is a series of 2024, and it's worth 5,600 for cash. But if you have a Palawan card like this, I will show you. Like this one, you will have a 50 pesos discount, so it's like 5,550, and you can also buy it as a layaway term. In a gold price market today, the 24 karat gold is like 4,900, but they are selling this gold for 5,600. Okay, hold on. This is the actual packaging. It's a sealed one. Kailangan mo siyang gupitin or sirain bago mo mahawakan yung gold. I will not take it out. I mean, hindi ko siya ilalabas sa kanyang packaging, but I will buy another one for next year para i-unbox for the next video. And this is the packaging. So it says that the 2024 Palawan Gold Collection features birds which are unique, distinct, and endemic in Palawan only. So endemic lang siya sa Palawan, and also known as the last ecological frontier of the Philippines. The safety and rehabilitation of these species are necessary for the protection of our environment. So the reason why also I bought this or buy this gold coins kasi I was planning to look na bumili ng jewelry like pure gold. And I just checked sa Cebuana and Palawan. It's very expensive. Parang bumili ka na ng bago. Na alahas, I don't know why they're selling like 18 karat gold. Parang almost close na dito sa price na 1 gram of 24 karat gold na 5.6. So why should I buy 18 karat gold na kapresyo rin lang naman ng gold coins na 24 karat pa. So I decided na okay, I'm gonna buy this 1 gram instead of jewelry since hindi naman kasi ako pala suot ng necklace or bracelet. So I have rings, but I don't really wear it every day. I only wear it when I read tarot card and when I feel anxious, depressed. I use this ring gemstone for healing purposes. And yeah, okay, I'm going back to my blog about the crumb. Okay, in 30 years, I mean 10 years, according to the forecast of gold, magiging per ounce ng gold is like $5,000 after 2030. So, i-divide mo yung ounce to gram, it's like point something ng 30 something. I have calculated last night, it's like ang per gram na, ang forecast ng per gram this coming 2030 is like $144. Kung ang palitan ng peso to dollar or dollar to peso ay 57 pa rin pagdating ng 2030, so it's like ang magiging price na nun is like 6,000-7,000. Kung magiging palitan ng dollar to peso sa 2030 like 70 pesos or 60, the price will be like higher. So sabi natin 7,000 per gram on 2030. So if you buy these gold coins now na 5.6 at magiging 7,000 this coming 5 years from now, and then tubo ka na if you have this na kung bumili ka, although na lahat ng gold ngayon mataas, if you want to invest something na imbis na bumili ka ng damit this Christmas, shoes for this Christmas, lahat ng regalo sa iyo na monetary, why not buy a gold? At itago mo lang siya. Itago mo lang. 5-10 years, katulad nga ng sinabi ko, yung gold ko na ring na bigay sa akin way back in 2000, I can pawn it like 18,000 to 20,000. So the liquidity is very high. Bili lang 3,007. Tumubo na ako ng almost ilang percent? 500%? So yeah, this one, if you have extra money, kahit mahal na 5.6, buy at least 1 gram of 24 karat gold. Kasi you never know, 10 years from now, this 1 gram will be like 8,000, 10,000 per gram. So, kung ipopon mo siya, siguro 8,000 pagdating ng araw. So, bili mo lang sa kanya punan mo 5,600 kung 8,000 or 7,000. Wala ka ng lugi. So, yeah, that's it. This is my first Palawan Gold and my target will be at least to have 5 grams this, and I will just, tatago ko lang. And yeah, that's it, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.